Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free LITECOIN directly to your faucetpay account, and when you've reached the minimum on faucetpay, you're going to be sending your earnings directly to your Trustwallet account without any investment. And when I say no investment, I mean no investment coming from your own side. So guys, to know how to do this, please make sure to follow this video till the end. So welcome back guys. Please if you know you enjoy what you'll be doing on this channel, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. So guys, the link to this site is going to be dropped in the description box down below. All you need to do is to go to the description box and tap on the link, and you're going to be seeing it there, link to the site. Just tap on the link and it's going to be taking you to this site. And as a first timer on this site, all you need to do is to tap on the register button, which is over here. And when you click on register, you're going to be filling in some information. Sorry, this is just checking of review, just to review my network. So guys, this is what you are going to be doing over here. All you need to do is to input your email, enter your username, your password, then repeat password, then come over here and complete this captcha. Select the upside down picture, and this is upside down. You select it and then go ahead and tap on the sign up button to sign up. So guys, after you've signed up successfully, you're going to be logging into your account. All you need to do is to input your email and your password, then select the upside down picture, then come over here and sign in. So guys, when you sign in, you're going to be directed directly to your dashboard, and as you can see, this is my own dashboard, and all you need to do to earn on this site is pretty simple. As you can see over here, this is my balance, and I've been making withdrawals so many times from this site. As you can see, this is my remaining balance over here. I have 7,000 coins, and to earn on this site is so simple. All you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now when you tap on it, you're going to be seeing this over here. When you tap on the three lines, it's going to be showing you this, as you can see over here, your dashboard, referrals, deposits, withdraw, and all of that. So guys, to earn on this site, all you need to do, you can do offer walls to earn. Now when you tap on it, as you can see over here, you can do some tasks over here to earn, take some surveys to earn from offer walls. Also to earn, you can also earn with the daily bonus, as you can see over here, or you can also earn with faucet claim, crypto games, PTC soft, short links, and also tax. Now when you click on the faucet claim, all you need to do is to complete some captcha. As you can see over here, the faucet claim, we're going to be earning 60.12 coins from the claim, from the reward, and we have up to 96 claims per day. So all you need to do, when you scroll down, you're going to be seeing over here collect reward. All you need to do is just to tap on this collect reward, and your reward, and you're going to be verifying this and completing this captcha. Please click on the antibot link in the following order: 2, 4, 1. Now after that is done, all you need to do is to tap on the upside down image, which is this, and after that is done, you click on claim. Now when you click on claim, your reward is going to be allocated to you. So guys, all you need to do, as you can see over here, 60.12 coins has been added to my balance. Now all you have to do is to wait again for the next 15 minutes. So to also earn, you can also check out the PTC ads and also the daily bonus. all you need to, you can also check the daily bonus, claim your daily bonus. Then the PTC ads, when you tap on PTC soft, as you can see over there, we have 22 available ads, as you can see over here. Now all you need to do, the total coin in reward we are going to be receiving is 675. So after that, all you need to do here is view on this ad for 45 seconds. As you can see the time over here, view it for 45 seconds and you're going to be getting 90 coins. So that is what you're going to be doing for all this, and earn a total of 675 coins in total reward. So guys, this is how you can earn. You can also try out other ways to also earn more on this site. Tap on the referrals, which is over here. Now when you click on referrals is also a nice way to earn cryptocurrencies, free cryptocurrencies on site. All you need to do is to copy your referral link, which is over here. Copy your referral link and share to your friends and your loved ones, so they too can also earn. And as they earn from this, you are going to be getting 25% of their daily earning, as you can see over here. And if you do not log in for up to 30 days in a row, as you can see over here, you will lose your referrals. So guys, make sure to also log in daily on this site and earn as much as possible. So guys, to withdraw, when you click on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen, you can see over here where it says withdraw. All you need to do, when you tap on the withdraw button, it's going to be taking you over here, and as you can see, the first thing you have to do is to tap on select payment method. Now for the sake of this video, I recommend faucetpay, or you can also use a direct wallet, maybe your Trustwallet, your Binance, or any other wallet, or you can also withdraw through CoinX and also your faucetpay. So guys, when you tap on faucetpay, you come over here, select the cryptocurrency, but for the sake of this video, I'm doing this video to withdraw LITECOIN, as you can see over here. And when you tap on LITECOIN, as you can see, for faucetpay, the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 coins, and as you can see, I have up to 7,104 coins, and this is the equivalent in LITECOIN, which is going to be entering my wallet. So guys, after that is done, all you need to do is you come over here, input your faucetpay email address, and after that is done, you go ahead and click on withdraw. So guys, that is how you are going to withdraw your earnings directly to your faucetpay account. So guys, I'm going to be making a separate video on how I withdraw, on how I'm going to be withdrawing my coins and the withdrawal proof, but that will be in the next video. So guys, this is how you can earn a lot from this site, and I have been making use of this site for a long period of time now. And when you go to the history, in the history section, you're going to be seeing the history of everything in which you have been doing on this site. Now you're going to be seeing the history of everything, and also any activity you make on this site, you're going to be seeing them all there. So guys, this is how you are going to be earning on this site without any investment. All that is needed is just your free time and some dedication, and I assure you are going to be making a lot of money from this site. So guys, this is how you are going to be doing this. And if you know you enjoyed this video and like what you'll be doing on this channel by going out there looking for free updates and bringing them to you, so you too can also earn, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.